Last time on Retro Myrtle Beach Guy. So last time we got her running. The goal this time is to get it moving. Alright, and to start today, Rory's going to be doing a cold valve adjustment. And after we got that finished, we rolled her outside and started her up. It definitely needed some adjusting, making a lot of noise, so we had to adjust the idle and we messed with the throttle a little. Then we got the carbs balanced and she started running a lot better. And this is when we noticed a pretty big puddle of oil under the car, so we dragged her back into the shop again. Luckily, it was just the valve cover needed some work.
Starting. Go. Give a little bit of gas. I am.
Huh. Okay. With just a little more tinkering, luckily, she came to life.
It's binding on that a little bit.
And with that, I was off. The car was released from the shop, good to go. That's right. Back in the saddle. Everybody's got their cars out today, man. It's gorgeous. What a day to pick the Corvair up.
A few moments later.